warm welcome to my new subscribers. Hope you all are great. आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ ये ग्लैम लुक, जो कि है सरस्वती पूजा लुक. As you all know, Saraswati Puja has almost arrived. I will be creating this look some affordable products. See, this look is very simple and yet very gorgeous. If you want to know how I created this look, then continue watching to this video. आज जो मैंने ये look create किया है, this is specially for the beginners. So I think you all can create this very easily. और जो भी प्रोडक्ट मैं इस वीडियो में यूज करने वाली हूँ, वो सारे प्रोडक्ट्स का लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी. So don't forget to check that out. So guys, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get my latest videos. अगर आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे, then don't forget to like, share and also mention in the comment section कि आपको ये लुक कैसा लगा. तो guys, मैं आप लोगों को और लेट ना करा के शुरू करती हूँ आज का वीडियो. First of all, I'm going to moisturize my face. For that, I'm going to use the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. This is a perfect winter moisturizer and it is suitable for all skin types. Next up, I'm going to use the Lakme Cc Cream. Today, I'm not going to use any foundation क्योंकि मैं आज एक डे लुक कर रही हूँ और I want it to be simple and gorgeous. ये CC क्रीम बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाइट वेट है, इसलिए I am going to use my fingers and उसे अच्छे से blend कर लूँगी अपने स्किन में. You can also use a damp beauty blender to blend the CC cream. And yeah, don't forget to apply it on your neck, नहीं तो neck और face अलग अलग दिखेगा. अभी मैं एक damp beauty blender की मदद से उसे अच्छे से blend कर लूँगी. For concealer, today I am going to use the concealer from Revolution Makeup and I am in the shade C5. And जहाँ जहाँ मैं कंसील करती हूँ मैं उसे अप्लाई करूँगी and then एक damp beauty blender की मदद से उसे अच्छे से blend कर लूँगी. Then I will apply little bit more concealer on my eyelid and then I will set my concealer with the Lakme Absolute Compact. आप यहाँ पे कॉम्पैक्ट की जगह लूज पाउडर से भी अपने कंसीलर को सेट कर सकते हैं. Then I am going to set my brows with this Sugar Brow Enhancer and I am in the shade 02. I will just fill in my brows. मैं over draw नहीं करती हूँ क्योंकि as you can see my eyebrows are very much dark. Now for the eye look, I am going to use liner from Faces Canada Magnetic Eyeliner. Today I am creating a very simple eye look, so मैं इसे dramatic नहीं बनाऊंगी. For the lower lash line, I am going to take this eyeshadow palette from NK Beauty birthday-cake and I am going to take this pink shade and apply it on my lower lash line. Now I am going to do the same process for my another eye. And now for the mascara, I am going to use the Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara. This is my favorite mascara and ये अभी available नहीं है, so मैं इसका substitute description box में mention कर दूँगी. Now for the blush and highlighter, I am going to use the 3-in-1 palette from Sugar and I am in the shade 01 Subtle Summit. And now here comes the favorite part of the makeup, that is the highlighter. I'm going to apply it on my high points and also highlight my brow bone and also highlight my inner corner of the eye. And now for the lipstick, I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Lip Pout Matte and इसका shade number मैं description box में दे दूँगी, so don't forget to check that out. For completing my look, I have wore this beautiful neck piece and with the earrings. So this is the final look. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section कि आपको ये look कैसा लगा. So guys, I hope कि आप लोगों को ये look बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा.